I'm a transplant immunologist. My interest is in human mononuclear phagocytes, and in particular a subset of suppressive macrophages called regulatory macrophages. We're developing regulatory macrophages as a cell-based therapy for induction and regulation in transplant recipients. The hope is that we can treat patients with regulatory macrophages and then reduce their background immunosuppression. As a human immunologist, virtually everything we do involves the use of antibodies, particularly for flow cytometry. It's crucially important that we're working with high quality reagents. We need the reproducibility, in particular the reliability over time with no lot-to-lot variation. We like to have very consistent labeling of the antibodies so that we get a consistent signal. Beyond that, we've started using REAfinity antibodies from Miltenyi because we find that they have excellent characteristics in terms of the consistency of the staining that we get with those antibodies, particularly in mononuclear phagocytes that express a lot of Fc receptors. Transitioning from traditional monoclonal antibodies produced from hybridomas to recombinant antibodies is inevitably a time-consuming and expensive process. But we've started that transition, and having established stainings for antigens that are particularly interesting to us with recombinant antibodies, we find that it's very convenient. It reduces the need to continuously retest the performance of antibodies that we're getting from suppliers. And it has the added convenience that we can reduce the number of isotype controls that we normally need for each panel. We really do appreciate the standardization of those reagents, and it makes it very easy to design usable panels with REAfinity antibodies.